Hi, welcome to CATIA tutorials. I am picking some drawings from engineering drawing book. These drawings are all basics 3D models. So let's start with these basic and easy models to practice whatever we discussed in our previous classes. So it is almost 20 to 30 drawings, everything. And the chapter is orthographic reading and conversion of views. So if you want to any drawings, go and check it. So let's see the drawing. Select the plane, sketch. I'm selecting profile because now I need this profile. This is the profile outlook sketch. So now I want to give dimensions. Now sketch is constrained completely. Let's give dimensions. It is 48. It is 16. It is also 16, and it is 24, and this is also 24, and total width of the sketch is 72. This is the profile outlook. It is from one side, so we want to extrude that. We have to give the pad. So select the pad, and total pad length is 104. So preview. Okay, it's like step. So I want one more pressure. Again select the one rectangle. It is 72, and its width is 24. Now let's constrain with constraint. Exit workbench. Again I want to give pad. So in reverse direction I want to use up to plane. Which plane? I am selecting this plane. Preview. Okay, this is the model figure number 2034 in page number 527. Okay, just edit it by using pad options. This is a view, and I want to draw this model in another way. So let's select the axis, create point, so that I want 100, and here it is 700, it is 200. Preview. Yes, the point is here. Okay, and the axis is created. Okay, now again select the plane. Now I am drawing a sketch with complete rectangle box. Okay, and give the dimension. It is 72 and height is 48. 48 by 72 width, and total depth of the length is 104. So exit workbench, take pad, give 104 dimension, automatically selected. Now I'm giving reverse direction, preview. Okay, so here it is a rectangle box. Again select this plane and sketch point. Okay, now here I want step position, so consider this profile. Let's give the dimension. It is 24 plus 24, 48. Okay, and its length is 24, so automatically it is also 24. Now we want depth of this line. It is 16 and this line is also 16. Okay, now let's constrain this sketch with our channel, like the video, share the video.